Hey everyone, Jason back again with the TackleShare YouTube channel. In a previous video, you guys saw me unbox the Lucky Strike bass box. Today we're going to be going out on the water, seeing how it does. We're going to be fishing off the dock here a little bit, and if it comes to it, we'll take the boat out and see what we can get. Let's go fishing. It's early in the morning, so I'm hoping bass will be up close to the water right now. A little cooler day. Hopefully they'll hit this soft frog bait, topwater bait I'm going to be using right here. Let's give it a try. While filming this video, I did use every lure in the bass box. However, if I included all the footage that I got, this video would drag on forever, so I'm only going to be touching on the ones that I liked the most and worked out the best. Hope you enjoy. There we go. Here we go. Okay, come on. Nice rock bass. Nice little rock bass there. Not exactly what we're looking for. Technically a bass. Not the size I'm looking for though. Back you go. There we go. Look at that. Already got one. If any of these lures interest you, check out Lucky Strike Bait Works website, link in the description. They offer the full selection of lures I used here, as well as many more. But stick around till the end of the video to see me catch the big one. I'll share with you how you could win these lures and the rest of the bass box, along with some extra little goodies, absolutely free. This red crankbait was actually really interesting to use. The day before I actually went out to go filming, I was just throwing some casts off the dock, seeing how all the lures I wanted to use in this video worked. And I actually caught a rock bass on my second cast with this one. So that's 3 rock bass in 3 days, which is not bad. Now I tried for hours to get this hard frog dive bait to work for me, and I had absolutely no luck on it, but I loved the way it worked. I loved the way it felt while using it. I loved the way it looked in the water. I'm definitely going back to this one again for sure, I can say that much. So, just caught this guy. Didn't have the camera rolling, of course, trying to conserve battery. as that always happens. And I thought he was weeds at first. But this guy with the salt and pepper lure from the Bass Box, Texas rig, good sized fish, I would say. Now, using stick bait or rubber worms Texas style is easily my absolutely favorite way of fishing. I caught the bass we just saw and using that, and I caught this one that we're about to see also on the exact same rig. Not sure why, some people aren't a fan, but easily my favorite way of fishing. I want everyone to remember that fishing is all about fun. So go out and have fun with it. Do a fish call every once in a while, you never know. It might work. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Did it work?
I don't know. Catch anything?
I think I caught weeds.
You actually caught something after that? Nah.
I think I might have.
Did you?
Oh my god.
Oh, I did! I caught something! Please tell me I was recording. I'm recording, oh thank God.
Come bring him over.
I'm working on it. Oh my God, he's a fighter.
Well, now we have to see. You're like, oh, are we gonna catch something? See? Told you, just believe it.
Oh,
He's a flopper.
he's a flopper, all right. Not wrong about that. Oh my God, he unhooked himself. Gotta get this on camera. There we go.
That's a good one.
If you liked any of the lures from this video, be sure to check out TackleShare.com/virtualfishing and send in your photos to be entered in the draw to win this month's Lucky Strike Bass Box, which includes the lures featured in this video as well as many more. To see the full content of the Bass Box, check out our other video in the description. Also, if you like this kind of video, please let us know in the comments section, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more fishing content. That's it for now, be safe, have fun, and good luck on the water.